If you are a new creator on YouTube, you are probably making the following upload mistakes. So stay tuned because this video is going to open your eyes to possible mistakes you might be making that could be ruining your YouTube channel secretly without you even realizing it. So let's dive in. First and foremost, you have to ensure that your channel is set to the right category. Yeah, guess what? A lot of small creators, you just opened your channel a few months ago, you have no idea that you have to actually put your channel in the right category. Now, depending on the niche you choose, you might struggle with finding out or knowing the right category to choose for your channel. YT. So here is how you can find out which category you should actually be choosing for your channel or for your videos. First of all, depending on the niche you are in, go find channels that are doing very well, that are creating the same content like you. So what you are going to do is to copy their channel link or any video from their channel. Copy that link and then head over to YTlarge. So once you get to YTlarge.com, go to the monetization checker tab and then paste that link you copied inside that monetization checker and hit enter. Once you hit enter, if you scroll through the information of that channel, it's going to show you exactly which category that particular channel has chosen for their channel. So that will also give you an insight of which category you should choose for your own channel. Or better still, ask ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT, I am into so and so niche. What should my category? ChatGPT will help you analyze that as well. So that is very important if you want your videos to be shown to the right audience. Mistake number 2 that you should avoid as a small channel is to make sure you did not set your channel made for kids. And unfortunately, some new creators, their channels are set to made for kids and they don't even realize that they have to go into their YouTube dashboard and do the necessary setting. So go right now and check your channel. Is your channel set to made for kids or not? If your channel is set to made for kids, guess what happened? Your video might not be shown to the right audience, thereby your views and the performance of your video will be greatly affected. All right. So the next thing that you need to look out for as a small channel is setting your upload default to unlisted. Now, I created a video talking about how putting your upload default to unlisted actually impacts your channel. So here is the thumbnail up here. Do well to find that video and watch for yourself what it means when you put your channel to unlisted. So now let's go to the next one. This particular mistake, I guarantee you, a lot of us creators make this mistake because I just found out myself. And actually thinking about it, it makes a lot of sense. And this is going into your metadata. Now, your metadata is not just going into your thumbnail title and your video title alone, but your metadata starts already before you even upload that particular video to your channel. What do I mean? I am referring to your file name. So this is the secret. Once you create a video, before you upload it to your YouTube channel, that you have saved that video, naming the file name to the topic you are actually talking about in that video. Now, let's say I created a video about how to get 4,000 watch hours. Normally, when you save your videos to your computer, for example, it's just going to be showing some series of alphabets and numbers and so on and so forth. So you want to change that to maybe you save it with how to get 4,000 watch hours very fast. Make sure that the keywords that are relevant to your video is actually reflecting inside that file name. So guess what happens? Once you upload that video to your YouTube channel, already automatically where you are supposed to put your title, that file name will now automatically be taken over by YouTube. Let me quickly show you what I mean, because Now let me share my screen quickly. All right. So now let's use this video here as an example. All right. What I mean is, you see, this is the file name. This is because when I saved this particular video on my laptop, I saved it with why video live streams might get you banned. So when I uploaded this video, automatically the title or the file name appears here where I am supposed to put my title. Now, your file name can be like this, but then I can decide to change the video title. What matters is that your file name carries some keywords that are relevant to that particular video. And guess what? This particular act is not limited only to your video. You can also do this with your thumbnail. Let's say you generated a thumbnail and you saved it on your laptop. Also go ahead and rename that thumbnail file name to something related to that video. Add relevant keywords coming from that video. So now, for example, let's say this thumbnail now I have here on this video, I can save it as video live streaming danger, for example. The live stream is a keyword, the video is a keyword, okay? And this is also reflecting inside this video. So these are little things that contribute to how good or how searchable your content can become, all right? So we are learning every day, and anytime I find out something that I believe is helpful, I like to share with you all because I want your monetization journey to be fast here on YouTube. So your file name is important. Since I'm already here in my dashboard, let me just take you all to my, is it customization? No. To set your channel to not made for kids, go over to your settings, then under your channel, go to your settings channel, and then here, advanced settings. You have to make sure your channel is set to this channel is not made for kids. Very important. All right, because if you don't check, it could be that your channel is on this, that your channel is made for kids, of which it is not. So this is very important. Very, very, very important. Okay. So another one, upload default. I mentioned this one before. Under advanced setting, make sure your category is clear. You are choosing the right category. Your video category is important. And then when you go to basic info, make sure that your visibility is not set to unlisted, but on private. Or once you upload your video, go ahead and schedule it, okay, to give that video maximum opportunity to perform its best. All right. And other mistakes to avoid as a small channel, as a new creator on YouTube, is to make sure that you are leveraging playlist. Okay, add your videos to playlist. If you are not adding your videos to playlist, if you are not creating any form of playlist on your channel, you are making a mistake. So to avoid that mistake, what do? Create a playlist and add your videos to playlist. It will help you maximize your views, increase your watch time. You know, these are little efforts, little things you do that contributes to your success in due time. And another thing you should make sure you are not forgetting, not adding chapters to your videos. That's another mistake, okay? So make sure you are adding chapters to your video. I also have a video on that. I shared a step-by-step tutorial how to add chapters and timestamp to your YouTube videos, all right? You can see the thumbnail on my screen. Watch it and start implementing that strategy. I also explained in that video why it's important for you to add chapters. It helps you boost your visibility. It helps you increase your watch time. You know, it's another way to also give your video more chances, more opportunity to perform better. Because if you add chapters to your videos, maybe someone don't have time to watch a 15 minutes video. But if they are able to check your chapters and see where you spoke about a particular thing that interests them, they can just tap on it and then automatically your video will start playing from there. Thereby, you are still maximizing your watch time. All right. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Angela, and I am always happy to share you updates, tips, strategies that will help you grow faster here on YouTube. And if that is something that sounds interesting to you and you would like to follow me on this journey, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment, and let me know how far gone you are in your monetization journey. And if you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask me, and I'll be very happy to get back to you with a reply. So until next time, bye bye for now. Thank you for watching.